AWD. SUV buying made easy. Won't last long. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy this Ford Explorer with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery. Ford has outdone itself with this fantastic 2013 Ford Explorer. It just doesn't get any better at this price. Enjoy the safety and great visibility when you sit up high in this family SUV.